What is scabies? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when I release more videos like this, you'll get notified. Scabies is an infestation of the skin by the human itch mite. The microscopic mite burrows into the upper layer of the skin to live and lay its eggs. Scabies outbreaks occur worldwide and affect people of all races and social classes. Scabies mites generally do not survive more than 2 to 3 days away from human skin. What are the symptoms? The most common symptoms of scabies are intense itching and a pimple-like skin rash. The rash is caused by an allergic reaction to mites' proteins and feces. First-time infestation may not appear for up to 2 months. The head, face, neck, palms, and soles often are involved in infants and very young children, but usually not adults and older children. How does scabies spread? Person to person, usually spread by direct, prolonged, skin-to-skin contact with a person who has scabies. However, crusted Norwegian scabies can easily spread by brief, direct skin-to-skin contact with a person who has scabies. Surface to person, spread by contact with surfaces touched by a person infected with scabies such as clothing, towels, bedding, and furniture. Scabies can spread rapidly under crowded conditions, nursing homes, extended care facilities, and prisons, where close body contact is frequent. How do I treat scabies? Products used to treat scabies are called scabicides because they kill scabies mites. Some also kill mite eggs. Scabicides used to treat human scabies are available only with a doctor's prescription. Treatment is recommended for the infested person, their household, sexual, and close contacts, anyone with prolonged direct skin-to-skin contact within the preceding month. All persons should be treated at the same time to prevent reinfestation. Apply scabicides to clean body, from the neck down to feet and toes. All bedding, clothing, and towels used during the 3 days before treatment should be decontaminated by washing in hot water and drying in a hot dryer, dry cleaning, or by sealing in a plastic bag for at least 72 hours. Change all bed linens, towels and clothes daily until treatment is completed. Individuals may return to child care, school, or work the day after treatment.